my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ejilechi, and if this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a video. But if this isn't the first time you're seeing me, hey my love, welcome back. So I made a video recently about living a luxurious lifestyle on a budget, and if you've not seen that video, I'm gonna leave a link to that video somewhere up here. So after watching that video, I'm certain you would want to make more money. So today's video is titled how to make more money. Chances are you probably have a job and you're looking for ways that you can make more money, or you don't even have a 9 to 5 but you're just looking for ways that you can make more money. This video is for you. I'm not gonna say I've cracked the code, but there are so many ways that people and businesses get to make more money, and I'm gonna show you how. So I'm gonna be talking about 4 different ways that you can make money, that you can make more money, and I'm also going to be talking about some businesses that you can do under these ways to make more money. I'm going to be giving a last tip at the end of this video, so please stay true to the end of the video so you can get that very important, easy breezy way of making money. The first way that you can make money is by creating value. If you make people's life easier or convenient in a certain way, then definitely people are going to pay for it and you're going to make money from it. For example, Ubers, Bolts. Before, if you wanted like a private taxi, you have to come out of the road and halt a taxi, and you guys will negotiate, or you could actually have a taxi guy's number. But right now you can stay at the convenience of your home and book a ride. You can do a lot of things with the Bolt app and all these other taxi apps, and it has made people's life a lot easier. It is convenient, it is easy, and people are actually paying for it. So you would hardly find anybody that doesn't have one of all these apps on their phone. So someone thought of it and they created value, and people are paying for it. Creating value is definitely one of the ways that you can make money. So one of the businesses that you can do that falls under creating value, making people's life easier and convenient, is a food delivery service. I know that the market is saturated right now. There are lots of food delivery services, but one thing is that food is essential. People would always eat. No matter what's going on, people would always eat. You could start up a food delivery service and probably niche it down. You could say, oh, I'm going to be doing just jollof rice, or I'm going to be doing just this particular sauce, or I'm going to be doing this, or I'm going to be making just healthy meals, or people are going to place in their orders the previous day and I'm going to make it. However you want to do it, a food delivery service is definitely going to be appreciated, and you're definitely going to make lots of money from it. As long as your food is good, you know what you're doing. Food is something that can never go out of fashion. Food is essential. So a food delivery service can actually help you make more money. And the crazy thing about it is that you don't need too much to start. All you need to do is make your flyers, create a social media, whatever, or you talk to a few persons that you know and you do the do, and when they eat it, they can recommend you to others, and from there you start making more money. You started a side hustle, so that makes people's life easier. Some persons don't have the time to cook, some persons are busy with work and some other things. Some people don't even have the passion to cook. Some people don't even like it. If you're someone that is passionate about cooking and your food is very good, you can start a food delivery service and make more money from it. A second kind of business you can do to make more money under creating value is gift boxes. Yes, it can be very difficult to get gifts for like an opposite gender, when you be thinking, oh, what do I get a guy, oh, what do I get a lady. You can come in here, you can niche it down. You can have gift boxes of only perfumes, different perfumes, different prices and all of that. You could have gift boxes of food. Yes, food gift boxes. You could actually not also niche it down. You could just pick different items and you put them in a box, in a cute box that you can get, and you have, oh okay, this is the gift items from this price range to this other price range. Yes, people's lives are made easier. Instead of going to the supermarket and cracking your head and thinking, oh, what am I going to get this person, they could actually come to you and, you know, get one of your packages, and that is that. This is something that you can actually do as a side hustle, and you can make more money from it. So yes, gift boxes comes handy, so you can actually start that today. And one thing with it is also very easy for you to start, which takes me to my second point. Another way that you can make money is by solving a problem. Yes, if you create a product that solves a problem, people will definitely pay for it. For example, if I have skincare issues, like, or if I have skin conditions or skin issues, acne and the rest of it, and you create a product that actually solves this problem for me, I'm definitely going to go buy it, and I'm definitely going to pay for it. That's why you see skincare products are out there, sunscreen, this, that, because it actually solves a problem. If you look at things and you see a particular problem that you can solve with a product, you can do that. So I'm going to give you options of businesses that you can do that solves a lot of problems in society today that you can make money from. One of the problems you can solve, I would say, hair care products. Yes, if you're good, you have recipes, you have good recipes for hair care, how to make good hair care products that actually works, you can do that. You can actually niche it down and make hair care products for kids, because I think that market is really saturated. There and a lot of hair care products for kids. You get, if you have hair care products for kids that actually works, that I know has, that are nice, I definitely think that people would purchase from you. So yes, that is one of the type of business that you can do that falls under this category. The next thing you can do is to create digital products. You know, sometimes we often think that we have to create something extraordinary to be able to make money from, but sometimes that isn't the case. Some of us are professionals in our fields. Sometimes it could be something that we do on a day-to-day basis that we really know about, and there are some certain persons out there that would like to know. You can, you know, write a book about it online, create a course, something like that, that people can actually pay for. And I'm certain that if what you're sharing is good enough, if what you're sharing actually solves a problem, then definitely people would go for it. People would definitely buy it. You know, digital products these days are fastly becoming rampant. You get, everybody's going digital. There are so many websites that you can put this on. There are websites like Skillshare. You can actually also create a social media page, grow your audience, and have people know what you do, talk about what you do. And if people see that yes, you solve a problem for them, they want to learn how to do a particular thing, and you actually know how to do it, and you have a course on it, they're definitely going to pay for it. So check yourself. Is there something that you are very good with? You know, you can actually make a course on it and sell. That is how you make money from what is in your head. You don't have to go and create something extraordinary to make money. So yes, digital products is another way to go. So this takes me to my third category. Another thing that you can do that can help you make money is by providing a service. If there's a particular service that you can provide, people would actually pay for it. For example, if you're an artist, you sing, you're an MC, you know how to host shows, host events, people you know, have these ceremonies a lot. They need someone to anchor their show, they are going to be coming for you. They need someone to sing for their event, they are going to come for you. You know how to edit pictures very well now that everybody is a social media influencer and all of that. You do that, you know how to do it, they are definitely going to pay you to edit those pictures for them. You edit videos, you can actually do that as a full-time job, not even a side hustle. You can do that as a full-time job and make a lot of money from it if you're good with video editing and all of this. So some business ideas that you can do under here is event planning and management. It mustn't really be those big events. It could be planning birthdays, bridal showers, stuff like that. If you're good at planning things like that, plan parties, you can actually do that, and people will pay you for these services that you do. How do you go about it? You can create a social media page for it, and let people know what you do. You make flyers, word of mouth, and all of that. You can actually make the extra moolah from that. So the fourth thing that you can do to make money is by starting your own business. You could create a product and sell. You could buy products and resell. There are a lot of businesses today, and they are making money, they are making profit. You can start an online business, or you can start your business today. Some of the businesses that you can start is jewelry business. Jewelry business is a favorite of mine, which I think I'm going to be doing. There are a lot of fine, nice jewelries that you can start selling, and you start making a lot of money from it. You can actually start that business today, and these businesses are inexpensive for you to start. You can start small and grow out to become a big business tomorrow. These are ways that you can make extra income, make more money for yourself, so you can be able to afford yourself, so you can live a certain lifestyle, so you can live a luxurious lifestyle. And the last tip, which is a bonus tip for this video, is affiliate marketing. Just in case starting out your business is too tedious for you, you don't want to go into the whole business of starting out a business and all of that, you can be a middleman between the business person and the person that wants to buy. What do? You talk to someone about someone else's product, and then they buy. You get a percentage from it. You can do that in a way of talking to persons. You can create social media accounts and become an affiliate to some of all these companies and all of that. So there are lots of persons that are affiliate marketers. They do it as a side hustle, and they actually make a lot of money from it. And you can learn about affiliate marketing online. The thing is that everything you want to do, if you look at all these businesses, all these things I've talked about, there's anything you want to do, there's one that you want to do, you can actually go online, do your research on it, and find out if you can actually do it. The key is to start something, and I'm definitely sure that if you pick one of businesses from here and you start out, you can make more money for yourself. So guys, that is all on this video. I hope you were able to pick a thing or two from it. If you have something you want me to talk about, please let me know at the comment section below. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave your comments at the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.